Join me as I take on the challenge of making family fun on a budget with these 5 easy tips. Can we have a blast without breaking the bank? Did you know that you can have an amazing family day out without spending a fortune? Let's dive into some budget-friendly fun. In this video, we'll explore 5 easy tips to make family time enjoyable and affordable, ensuring everyone has a great experience. Many families struggle to find affordable activities that everyone can enjoy, leading to boredom and frustration. We've all been there, stuck at home, trying to come up with something fun to do that won't max out the credit card. It can be tough, especially when you have little ones with boundless energy and curiosity. It's easy to fall into the trap of overspending on expensive outings or resorting to screen time just to keep the peace. But there are ways to break this cycle and create meaningful memories with your loved ones without breaking the bank. One of the main reasons families struggle to find affordable activities is because they often rely on commercial attractions or pricey events. These can be fun, but they can also be costly and overwhelming, leaving you feeling like you need to take out a second mortgage just to have a good time. It's not just about the money, though. It's also about creating experiences that are authentic and engaging for everyone. When you're stuck in a cycle of expensive outings, it's easy to lose sight of what really matters: spending quality time together and making memories that will last a lifetime. That's why it's so important to think outside the box and explore alternative activities that are both fun and affordable. By doing so, you can create a sense of excitement and adventure that will have everyone looking forward to your next family outing. We'll discuss each of the 5 tips in detail, from DIY activities at home to local community events that are often free or low cost. Whether you're a busy parent looking for ways to keep your kids entertained on a rainy day or a caregiver seeking ideas for a fun family outing, these tips are designed to be flexible and adaptable to your unique needs and circumstances. From scavenger hunts to potluck dinners, we'll explore a range of activities that are not only budget-friendly, but also easy to implement. One of the best things about these tips is that they can be customized to fit your family's interests and preferences. Whether you're a family of bookworms, sports enthusiasts, or foodies, there are ways to create fun and memorable experiences that won't break the bank. By focusing on what matters most, spending quality time together, and having fun, you can create a sense of excitement and adventure that will have everyone looking forward to your next family outing. The highlight of the video will be a surprise tip that can transform your family fun while barely touching your wallet. This tip is a game changer, and it's something that I'm really excited to share with you. It's easy to implement, requires minimal planning, and can be adapted to fit your family's unique needs and circumstances. Whether you're a seasoned parent or a caregiver just starting out, this tip is sure to become a go-to strategy for creating fun and memorable experiences on a budget. This surprise tip is so powerful because it taps into the power of imagination and creativity. By leveraging these essential skills, you can create experiences that are not only fun, but also engaging and interactive. And the best part? It won't cost you an arm and a leg. In fact, it's likely to save you money in the long run, while also reducing stress and anxiety. When you focus on what really matters, having fun and spending quality time together, you can create a sense of excitement and adventure that will have everyone looking forward to your next family outing. This tip is also highly adaptable, making it easy to customize to fit your family's unique needs and circumstances. Whether you're dealing with tantrums, sibling rivalry, or simply trying to get everyone to agree on an activity, this tip is sure to become a lifesaver. By incorporating it into your family routine, you can create a sense of excitement and adventure that will have everyone looking forward to your next family outing. To wrap up, we'll summarize the 5 tips and emphasize how simple changes can lead to memorable family experiences. By implementing these easy and affordable strategies, you can create a sense of excitement and adventure that will have everyone looking forward to your next family outing. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more budget-friendly family ideas.